Why, hello. Today I'm going to be introducing my beautiful cat. Look over here, Peachy. It's a camera. She could probably care less about the camera. She's like, pet me, pet me, pet me. Love me, love me, love me. Oh, here's my sweet kitty. She's like, I get lonely, and I also drool, which is really, really gross. Huh, kitty? You have drool on your face, and it's really gross, and it's getting on my mom's car. And it's also getting on my jacket. Don't get it on my face, because that'd be super duper gross. Just hi, kitty. So this is Peaches. She's a love bug, as you can see. She's rubbing all over me. She loves me. She doesn't like crowds of people, but she loves me. So, Peachy, you don't even know I'm holding an object right here? As I said, she seriously doesn't care about the thing I'm holding. She cares about me. So, Peachy cat, Kit Kat. Is it hard to retain your balance on this? Well, you're a cat, so like, you're drooling on me. You're gross. You're so gross. Don't get the drool on my phone, please. Can you just come down here or something? Like, come, please. There we go. I'm somewhat holding you. Yes, sweet kitty, don't drool on my face. I'm gonna go ahead and sit down with you in my beautiful lap. Well, you're not in my lap anymore. Now you are in my lap. Oof. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Kit cat. Look at the camera. Oh, now you're looking at yourself? Okay. Is that you in the reflection with the... Who's that? Who's that pretty kitty? Oh. Cat food. Nom nom. Nom nom. Probably want a kitty treat. We don't have a lot of cat treats left. That's not a cat treat. This is a thorn or something. I don't know. Okay, I'm getting you a cat treat. You can't eat the bag, for goodness sake. You might have to have some cat crumbs. So, here you go. Oh gosh, cat. Kitty. Kitty cat. Right here, kitty catos. Eat your cat treat. They're on the fucking ground. They're right here. Oh my gosh. They're right. Get away from the camera for a second. They're like right here on the ground. These things on the ground. Peachy. There you go. You're such a good kitty now. You're actually eating them. Nom 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 nom. Yeah, that's a good kitty. You are a very sweet kitty, even though you have a gross fact that you drool on people. You drool on people, and you haven't gotten groomed in forever. And yeah, kitty catos. Oh, no one wants to see your butt. Well, then. The kitty catos likes to eat the cat food. Huh, Kit Kat? No. They want to see your cute, adorable face. Look at it. Look at the camera. Wow, kitty. Peachy, look at the camera. Look at, you're not looking at the camera. Kitty catos. Peachy. There we go, Peachy. Guess I should close this video up. Come here. There we go. She probably doesn't like this. Yes, fuzzy belly. Fuzzy fuzzy. Okay, I'm gonna end this video before she scratches me to death. Fuzzy fuzzy belly. Anyways, that's my cat. Are you gonna say anything? Well, she's not gonna say anything, but that's my cat.